Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a video call on Telegram. To get started, let's open the Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded the Telegram app on your device. When you open your Telegram app, it will show you this kind of interface. Search for that person in the search bar, or you can also go to the chat box. For now, let me select this one. Now, here you can see on the top right corner, a profile icon. Tap on it. Here, you'll get the option to do an audio call, video call, and many other options. So, if you want to do a video call, then tap on video call. If you want to do an audio call, then tap on the audio icon. So, in this way, you can do a video call on Telegram. So that wraps it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.